Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to use Rendering Gallery. Let's try it together. Enter the interior interface. Click the gallery to enter. You can download or delete single or multiple images. Click the toolbar in the rendering to download or delete a single image. Click List to select multiple images for download or deletion. You can share your images with others in the form of a QR code or link. Outstanding images can be favorited by clicking the Favorite button in the rendering. And you can view them in the left favorite sidebar. Images can also be edited twice. Select Large View, and on the toolbar below, you can save the perspective, beautify the image, and upgrade image clarity. Click Save the perspective. This perspective will be added to the new user view in the Render tool. Click Beautify. It will one-click Smart Beautification, and you can choose your favorite parameters and filters. Click Upgrade. Image clarity can be upgraded, but it cannot be restored after upgrading. You can also recover images that have been deleted by mistake. Click the Trash, select the images you want to restore, and click Restore. It's important to note that renderings in the trash are only kept for 15 days and will be automatically removed after 15 days. That's all. Thanks for watching.